Why to use Black Pearl Vitamin C Face Wash? Why it is so special? Black Pearl Vitamin C Face Wash is very effective product, especially for winter season, and has many amazing benefits. Lightens and brightens skin tones, fade age spot, detoxifies skin, reduce fine lines and blemishes, deep cleansing and purifies skin, remove dirt, oil and pollution, gentle formula, repair skin pigmentation, graceful and glowing skin, elimination of dead skin cells. Our product is free from all toxins, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, paraben-free, no harmful chemicals, no artificial colors. Use Black Pearl Vitamin C Face Wash and get result in first wash. If you do like our video, please like and subscribe our channel and share your result on comment below.